Introducing the Aprilia RS 660, a marvel of engineering that redefines the essence of a sports bike. In a world where the thrill of the ride meets the comfort of touring, the RS 660 emerges as the perfect symphony of power and ease. Beneath the sculpted lines and the aggressive stance, the Aprilia RS 660's heart beats with the fervor of 99 horsepower. This isn't just a number, it's a statement, coupled with a physique that tips the scales at a mere 404 pounds. The RS 660 is a testament to Aprilia's mastery over the blend of power and lightness. It's an adrenaline-infused experience that starts with the twist of a throttle and continues with every pulse of the engine. But power is nothing without control, and the RS 660 shines brightest when the road throws its challenges. Crafted with an unwavering focus on the dynamics of cornering, the RS 660's nimble frame and precision handling are a direct inheritance from Aprilia's illustrious racing pedigree. Each turn is an invitation to lean in, to push the boundaries, and to revel in the exhilaration that comes from a machine so finely tuned, it feels like an extension of the rider's own instincts. In the ballet of bends and curves, the RS 660 performs with the grace and vigor of a prima ballerina. Its chassis, a masterpiece of engineering, translates the rider's intentions into precise movements, ensuring that each turn isn't just navigated, but owned. This bike doesn't just go fast. It dances with the wind, it whispers to the corners, and it roars down the straights, turning the act of riding into a symphony of speed, agility, and raw, unbridled joy. With the Aprilia RS 660, every journey is an opportunity to experience the pure essence of motorcycling, where the thrill of the ride is matched only by the beauty of the journey. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the moments of exhilaration, the bonds formed with the road, and the symphony of sensations that only a bike of this caliber can deliver. The RS 660 isn't just about speed, it's an ode to exhilaration, a tribute to the corners, and a celebration of the rider's spirit. As we go further into the core of the Aprilia RS 660's capabilities, it becomes clear that this machine is more than its parts. Each component, carefully selected for performance and dependability, is critical to providing an unforgettable riding experience. The bike's suspension system, a symphony of precise engineering, includes an adjustable shock and Kayaba forks, resulting in a ride that is not only smooth but also sensitive to the rider's desire. And then there are the brakes. Brembo, a brand renowned with unparalleled stopping power. When combined with the agility of the RS 660, they ensure that control is always at your fingertips, allowing for precise, confident deceleration from any pace. What actually distinguishes the RS 660 is its choice of footwear. Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2 tires. Renowned for their grip, these tires serve as the ideal interface between the RS 660's raw power and the ever-changing faces of the road, ensuring that every curve, bend, and straight is greeted with unwavering confidence. But the actual essence of the RS 660 lies not just in its performance or components, but also in how it urges you to become one with the computer. Gone are the days of contorting into awkward postures to harness the power of a sports bike. The RS 660 redefines comfort on the track and the open road, with a riding posture that is both natural and empowering. The ergonomics are a deliberate combination of sportiness and comfort, designed to put the rider in a posture that is aggressive for sprints but forgiving for marathons. From the slightly elevated clip-on bars that prevent wrist strain to the strategically positioned foot pegs that provide an ideal balance of control and comfort, every feature of the RS 660's design is meant to improve the riding experience. The seat, a perfect blend of support and padding, serves as the rider's throne, commanding yet forgiving, ensuring that the thrill of riding never fades, whether you're carving curves on a racetrack or cruising along a country road. As the day fades, the Aprilia RS 660 finds its rhythm on a seaside route where land meets water and the horizon extends to infinity. This moment, this link between rider, machine, and nature captures the essential essence of motorcycling, a passion that goes beyond the act of riding. It's all about the adventure, the stories engraved into every mile, and the freedom that comes with each twist of the throttle. Every voyage with the RS660 is an invitation to discover the unknown, to go beyond the familiar boundaries of your environment. Its efficient heart, with an average fuel consumption that defies the conventions, guarantees that your excursions are only limited by your desire to explore. This bike is more than simply a road buddy. It's a passport to undiscovered territory, providing lengthy stretches of uninterrupted joy that entice you to go further, chase the horizon, and write new chapters in your adventure story. And when the voyage comes to a halt, with the Aprilia RS660 standing as a mute witness to the majesty of the globe, the rider stands beside it, not as a conqueror, but as a modest sojourner, enthralled by the beauty that unfolds at the edge of the universe. This moment, this halt, exemplifies the trips we embark on, not to escape life, but to guarantee that life does not escape us. The RS660, with its promise of performance, comfort, and efficiency, is more than simply a vehicle. It's a spark for adventure, a beacon for those who dare to dream, and a reminder that the trip is just as important as the destination. In this short moment, as if the world had stopped, the Aprilia RS660 lies silently on the cliff, its silhouette a tribute to the journey's end and the promise of those still to come. The wide expanse of the ocean spreads before us indefinitely, its surface reflecting the numerous colors of the evening sky. The rider pauses in contemplation before this technological marvel, his gaze fixated on the distant horizon where the water licks the sky, immersed in the grandeur of the infinite beyond. In this calm scenario, the Aprilia RS660 transcends its identification as a simple sports bike. It becomes a doorway, a bridge to a place where every turn on the road tells a story. Every mile traveled is a chapter in an expanding epic, and every heartbeat, in sync with the engine's cadence, creates a memory that lasts long after the voyage is complete. This machine, with its combination of exciting performance and soul-stirring design, encourages you to go on a journey of discovery and delight. As the sun's final rays fall below the horizon, bathing the sky in flaming orange and soothing blues, the whisper of the wind asks not whether you're ready to command such a horse. It's a cry to the spirit that lives inside each of us, the spirit of adventure, the desire for freedom, and the never-ending quest of the horizon. The Aprilia RS660 is more than just a pinnacle of engineering and passion. It is a challenge to the very essence of our being. Are we ready to embrace the journey it promises? To weave new stories into the fabric of our lives? To live each moment with a fervor that matches the pulse of its engine?